Next, we will study about the various tokens in a C program. So first of all, what is meant by token? Token is the smallest individual unit in a program, and there are 5 different types of tokens in C language. So let's see one by one. First one is called as a keyword. Keyword means these words are also called as reserved words, and the meaning has already been defined to the C compiler. And we cannot use these keywords as variable names. In C language, it consists of 32 keywords. For example, int, char, double, void, else, if, else, etc. Such 32 words are available. The second type of token is called as an identifier. Identifier is the basic fundamental building block of a program. So it consists of sequence of letters and digits, and it has to satisfy certain conditions. First of all, it should start with a letter. Then only underscore character is permitted as a special character. These type of special characters are not printed. Then we have white spaces, which is not allowed. For example, if you have a variable name called school bag, then you cannot have space in between this. This is not allowed. You can only have school bag together without any space or school underscore bag. Then we are not allowed to use keywords as variable names. Let us identify which are the valid identifiers among them. So let's see some examples. The first one is bank underscore record. This is a valid keyword because it starts with a letter and it also has underscore which is permitted. Next one is 9 underscore roll underscore number. It starts with a number which is not permitted. So this is not possible. This next one is case. Case is a keyword, so we cannot have identifiers as keywords. So we are going to cross that. Then this is also not a valid identifier because it has got space in between CP and record. E is American dollar. This again is not permitted because dollar is a special character and only underscore is permitted. The last one is roll underscore number underscore 91, which is a valid identifier. Now let's see what is meant by constant. That is the third token in C. Constants never change their value during the program is being run. So these are fixed values. So we have 4 such type of constant. Variables which can store values which are integers and constant is called as an integer constant. Next we have character constant which can store a single character and it will be inside a single quote. For example, A and 5 which is written over here. Then we have string constant. So string means multiple characters. You can have more than one character, for example ABCD. And the main thing is it should be surrounded by double quotes. Sina is a good girl. So all this is a string. Next we have floating constant. Floating numbers are those which have a fractional part. For example 17.8 minus 13.867 etc. So those values which do not change are called as constant. The fourth type of token in C is called as punctuators. So punctuators consist of various brackets and we also have some comma, semicolon and other type of common punctuation mark. So here the first one is a square bracket which is used to mention the size of an array. For example, int A20 consists of 20 elements inside A, all of type integer. So that size 20 can be mentioned within square bracket. Next we have ordinary round bracket or parenthesis. This is used for function call. For example, void main, we saw that there is a bracket after that. That is one example. Next we have the curly braces. This is used to start a multiple set of statement and end a multiple set of statement. It is commonly used in C language. Then we have the comma operator, which is a separator, which is used to separate among variables, etc. Then we have semicolon, which should be used at the end of all statements. Then we have a full colon, which is used for labeling. Asterisk is a pointer, which can be explained later. And it can be also used for multiplication. That is, x is equal to a star b implies that x will have the value of a multiplied with b. Then we have the pound sign, which we found that pound sign is used for hash include in order to include header files. Then we have equal to sign. Equal to sign means if C is equal to A, C is a variable and also A is a variable, then the value of A is assigned to C. It goes from right to left. So equal to is an assignment operator.